Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Alim Maths Vlog. So my dear student, today our question is if 8a plus 8 over a is equal to root over of 128, then find the value of a to the power 888 plus 1 over a to the power 888. So student, in this video I will tell you how to find the value of this algebraic expression from this algebraic equation. So student, to find the value of a to the power 888 plus 1 over a to the power 888, first of all we have to find the value of a from this algebraic equation. Then we are able to find the value of this algebraic expression. So my dear student, our given algebraic equation is 8a plus 8 over a is equal to root over of 128. So student, to find the value of a from this algebraic equation, first of all we have to take the square on both sides. Okay student. So my dear student, left hand side of this algebraic equation, the digit 8 is available in both terms. So we have to take common the digit 8 from both terms. So we have to write in here 8 bracket a plus 1 by a on the left hand side of this equation. And on the right hand side again we have to write root over of 128. Okay student. So after that my dear student, we have to take square on both sides. So we have to write in here 8 bracket a plus 1 by a bracket close, and after that we have to use second bracket. Okay student. So we have to use second bracket. So we have to write in here 2. So you have to take square on both sides, and right hand side also, on the right hand side you have to take the square root over of 128 whole to the power 2. So if you take square on both sides, then we get this type of term. Okay. So my dear student, after that we have to apply the formula. AB whole to the power m means a to the power m into b to the power m. So this formula we have to apply on left hand side. Okay student. So if you apply this formula on left hand side, so we have to write in here 8 square into a plus 1 by a whole to the power 2 is equal to, so my dear student, the square of root over of 128 square means we have to write in here 128. Okay, so on the right hand side we have to write 128. Okay, so my dear student, after that 8 square means how much? 64. So you have to write in here 64. Okay, into a plus 1 by a whole to the power 2 is equal to 128. Okay student. So my dear student, after that again, so we have to transpose 64 from left side to right side. So on the left hand side you have to write in here a plus 1 by a whole to the power 2. A plus 1 by a whole square is equal to 128 divided by 64. Okay my dear student. So if you divide 128 by 64, then you get 2. Okay student. So my dear student, on left hand side again we have to write in here a plus 1 by a whole to the power 2 is equal to 2. Okay student. So my dear student, after that we have to transpose 2 from right side to left side. So my dear student, on the left hand side we have to write in here a plus 1 by a whole to the power 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay student. So student, after that we have to apply the formula. Okay, so a plus b whole square means a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this formula we have to apply on left hand side of this equation. So if you apply this formula on left hand side, so we have to write in here a square plus 2 into a into 1 by a plus 1 by a square. Okay student. And after that again we have to write in here minus 2 is equal to 0. So student, a we have to cancel. Okay, so we have to write in here a square plus 2 plus 1 by a square minus 2 is equal to 0. So here is plus 2 and here is minus 2. So both 2 we have to cancel. Okay. So my dear student, after that again we have to write in here a square plus 1 by a square is equal to 0. So my dear student, after that we have to do LCM. Okay. So in the place of denominator there is no number, so you have to take 1 is here. Okay. So if you do LCM 1 and a square, so you have to write in here a square. Okay. In the place of numerator we have to write in here a to the power 4 plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay student, so if you apply the cross multiplication rule, so you have to write in here a to the power 4 plus 1. So if you multiply 0 with a square, so we get 0. So my dear student, on the right hand side we have to write in here 0. Okay. So my dear student, from this equation the value of a to the power 4 will be minus 1. Okay student. So student, but we have to find the value of this algebraic expression. So first of all we have to write in here a to the power 888 plus 1 over a to the power 888. Okay students. So student, to find the value of this algebraic expression, so we have to break the power. Okay student. So here is 888. In the place of power there is 888. So we have to break this power. Okay student. So we have to write in here a to the power 4 into 222. Okay student. So if you multiply 222 with 4, then again we get 888. So we have to write the place of 888 4 into 222. Okay. Plus similarly the place of this number again we have to write in here 4 into 222. Okay student. So student, after that we have to apply the formula a to the power m into n, that means a to the power m whole to the power n. So this formula we have to apply in here. Okay. So if you apply this formula in this place, we have to write in here a to the power 4 whole to the power 222 plus 1 over a to the power 4 whole to the power 222. Okay student. So my dear students, so we have to put the value of a to the power 4. Okay. So the value of a to the power 4 is minus 1. So we have to write in here, in the place of a to the power 4 we have to write in here minus 1, and we have to write again power 222 plus 1 over, so here we have to write again minus 1 whole to the power 222. So when power is even, so that time minus will be removed. Okay. So that's why you have to write in here 1. So again we have to write in here, so power is even number, so we have to write in here 1. Okay. So power is even, so we have to remove the minus sign, so we have to write in here 1. So student, so here is 1, so you have to write in 1, and if you divide 1 by 1, then you get again 1. Okay student. So 1 plus 1, that means 2. So student, this algebraic, the value of this algebraic expression will be 2. So student, if you like this video and if you like this trick, so please support me and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.